I am Dr. Ishwar Gilada. I am infectious disease expert and currently General Secretary of People's Health Organization India and Organized Medicine Academic Guild, umbrella organization of all professional medical organizations in India. Today we are going to discuss COVID-19 and what Honorable Prime Minister had a meeting on video conferencing with 10 different states where COVID-19 is widely spread. I am glad that social media makes a very good impact. I have been on Twitter handle with at Dr. Gilada for last 10 years, but I have hardly used. In last 5 months I use liberally. Out of 857 tweets, I have at least 700 tweets on COVID-19. Every day I send 4 tweets. In that, one is what is a COVID-19 rate in India versus rest of the world. How India is faring, where India is not doing well. Among India, where is Maharashtra, where are other states which are high profile states in COVID-19. Then there are 2 more tweets I give sometime. They are one in percentage population, like 1 per million, which are the 10 states which are top and which are the 10 cities which are top, and how we are doing good or bad. And these tweets I also retweet to Honorable Prime Minister, Prime Minister's Office, Niti Aayog, Health Ministry, ICMR and different Chief Ministers. The impact of that, what we have seen, I have been telling for last several weeks that if our death rate is very impressive in world, it is 3.5% versus 2% in India. If we bring down the death rate to 1%, the battle is half won. And that has been also told by Honorable Prime Minister. Number 2, just 3 or 4 days before, Honorable Health Minister said that COVID-19 is only in the south, north is largely spared. Because of that, people went haywire. It is not so. COVID-19 is spread through contiguity and continuity. We have seen from one district, say in Mumbai, gone to Thane, to Pune, and now Palghar, Raigad, then going to Nashik. So it is going by continuity and contiguity. Similarly, state to state, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, they were first affected since beginning, and then we have seen Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh join. And currently, percentage-wise, new infection rate is more in Andhra Pradesh anywhere in the country. So, if we look at even 10 top cities, Kamrup metropolitan in Assam is one of the 10 top cities reporting cases. So, we cannot neglect any of the states. And I'm glad that Honorable Prime Minister said that it is not only 5 states in the south, there are other 5 states, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, West Bengal, Assam. They have to also control. And I am going to go one step ahead. If we say 10 states, other 22 states people and Union Territory people say we are safe. COVID is not here. There is no holiday for SMS, whether it is a sanitization, mask and social distancing. So, Honorable Prime Minister has put onus on medical community that you do anything and bring down the cost, bring down the death rate from 2% to 1%. But onus on one hand is on medical community to bring down the death. But onus is on people, all of you, to see that the infection rate goes down. And Honorable Prime Minister suggested another thing for that, is that if we catch infection within 72 hours, we contain that. We put contact tracing, catch the people who were in touch, test them, increase testing, then we can contain COVID-19 in a big way. In testing, there is a target to reach testing 1 million tests per day within 10 or 15 days or so. On one particular day, 2 days before, we reach 7,22,000 tests done in one day. But next day it was 4 lakh. So it should not become a monkey's tail that monkey is going 10 feet up, 5 feet down. We need to maintain that. Secondly, the antigen test, which can give report on even smear within 5 to 10 minutes, swab within 5 to 10 minutes, that should be popularized. And some of the cities, they have already done that. They are already using that in a very big way. In smaller places, they are taking 50,000 tests to be done in 7 days. So by that way, we can destigmatize the disease, diagnose cases early, contact tests early. In PCR, we have to sometimes wait up to 1 or 2 days, up to 3 days. So that waiting time is reduced. So by that way, we can contain. So my appeal to people is that there is no holiday for COVID-19 prevention. of precautions. You must take all the precautions, whether they are festivals, whether they are socialization of your family. Maintain all those SMS precautions. And secondly, medical community is doing wonderful in India. They should again try to do something which is death rate can come down from 2 to 1%. But in that, you remember one thing: most of the deaths are in those people which are with comorbidity. So comorbidities need to be controlled before you control COVID-19 related deaths. And comorbid people, please take care of your habits with the smoking, tobacco, alcohol, or obesity, or your eating habits, your diabetes. Please control them. And that control will also bring down control in the final death rate or fatality rate in COVID-19.